How you doing, guys? Today up for review is the new rival takedown XX800. It's the the rough cut version of a rival blaster. Same shape handle, same ergonomics, just the same looking shape, like a menacing looking shape. If you give me just a second here, I'll pull out the rough cut and I'll pull out I'm going to say the original bad boy killer, the brake barrel from the N-Strike series back in the day, the brake barrel IX2. They all sort of similar, have that pirate blunderbuss type of handle. Let me get these out of the box real quick so we can do a comparison on how it looks. Okay, it's just got that smooth, this is where it all originated from. It's that same type of grip, same style. This has been modified, brass barrel, Orange Mild Work springs. It shoots about 80 to 90 FPS. I've chopped the barrel down, so that's got the single point sling on it. That's the original, shotgun style. As you can see here, it had longer barrels, but I like the short look, more like a pistol now. All right, and then as we go to the rough cut, we see that same body line. The lines of to me, they look like a pirate blunderbuss deal. You know what I'm saying? That same sleek, piratey type of handle. Yeah, that's the rough cut, and as you can see, they follow that same sleekness with the rival takedown. So let me get the rival takedown out of the box, and then we'll just do a side-by-side comparison of all three. Let me get my razor to cut this tape open. Okay. You got your 8 balls, your instructions. Not even going to open those because I got tons of balls already open. There you go. It's almost like a larger rough cut. It just feels like a larger rough cut. Very nice. I like it. Alright, let's lay it down here. Alright, so there you go. You got all three of them. And it's very, very close in shape to the rough cut, I think. But they all have that same type of, follow that same line with the handles and the grips. Alright, let's go ahead and load some shots up and get this over to karate. I'm going to do my usual comparison. I've got some Chaos rounds from X-Shot. Prime's nice, very comfortable. It's got a little weight to it too. So we'll do one Chaos round. We'll do the lime green Rival Edge Series round. We'll do an Adventure Force tactical round, the orange one. And then we'll do the original yellow Rival round. So the Rival round's going down range first. Here we go. Oh, hold on. The box is claiming 90 FPS out of the box. There's that new bullpup thing. I'll probably pick that up tomorrow. I don't know, maybe. But yeah, it's claiming 90 FPS. So let's see if we can achieve that. First shot down range is original Rival yellow round. Some nice pop to it. And yes, we achieved manufacturing claim, 99.67 with the original yellow Rival round. Next is a orange Adventure Force tactical round. Okay, consistent. We got 99.69. Almost 100 out of the box. Nice. Alright, next is the lime green Rival Edge series. Wow, that's a surprise. Usually the yellows come in at this number. We got a 95.89 with the Rival lime green Edge series. Alright, last shot is the Chaos X-Shot rounds, which are my favorite. I love these, and I'll stand by. Here we go. Whoa, like I said, my favorite rounds, man. We got a 100.1. Let's try that again, see if it wasn't just a fluke. But generally, like I've said before in some of my other videos, the X-Shot rounds in my testing offer the most accuracy and the most velocity. And I think that's due to them being a little bit bigger and firmer than the traditional ammo, so it's creating a better seal. Here we go with another X-Shot round just to test, see if we can break another 100. No, we got a 97.49. Let's try again. Maybe it didn't go over the sensors. Let's try it again. I still stand my X-Shot round. Let's see. Yeah, we got a 98.59. So, as far as the blaster is concerned, it's doing its job. 90 FPS, they're claiming, which it is doing well above that. So there you have it. This holds 8 shots. Very sleek. Perhaps an HVZ secondary backup blaster, holds 8 rounds. I'm sure somebody will get into this, and we'll see if we could do ammo capacity mod or whatever. But right now, as it is, you'll average about 95 plus FPS out of the box stock with the new Rival takedown shotgun. Alright, so